So I can actually confirm that it really does work. Like, look at it. Rich Viper Media, we're back again with another video. And yesterday I spent a whole day cleaning up my garage. I added new shelves, so everything is like nice and organized now. And today we're gonna try to do something I seen somewhere. I don't believe it, but we'll try to see my downpipes, manifold. We're gonna try to clean it, bring the shine back to them, and then we're gonna do a quick wash as well after it. And to clean it, I will use, you won't believe it, I don't believe it either, but stay with me and we'll see if it actually works. Harpic cleaner 10x. So we're gonna put this on the pipes, rub it in, and then see how that works. Maybe I'll still need to sand it a bit more. We're seeing 99% bacteria. That's a lot of bacteria there. So yeah, let's see how this works. Probably need some gloves with that because it is a very strong liquid. What do you call it? Bleach, yeah. Very strong bleach. I'm gonna put some gloves on, or at least one anyways. Dr. Rich Viper in the house. So yeah, let me set you up somewhere. I have a nice comfy chair here for you guys to sit on. I'm gonna put you there. And before I start, a nice before and after. So that's how they look now. All crusty, cooked from all the heat and all the racing and all the top speeds that I never do. We'll start with one pipe first and see if I should even continue. Right, put a towel there. And now squeeze. I'll put loads of it on it. Literally soak that thing in it. Okay. I'll take out a cloth. Give it a good scrub. Feels clean, alright. Well, that's gonna take a while. Some more. More and more and more and more. Until that thing comes out. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Well, it's definitely working. Let me just show you. So I was doing just this pipe now. Look at the shine on that compared to this. The difference. And I only spent what, 30 seconds on it? So yeah, we carry on and see the end results. I'm gonna put you on quick time lapse so you don't have to watch me scrubbing all day. Can actually confirm that it really does work. Like, look at it. Like, they actually look so clean. And that's me 5 minutes scrubbing. Like the darker spots, yeah, it doesn't take it out. But now I'll hit it with like very light sanding as well. Try to get it out even more. But yeah, if you're looking for a quick clean to get all the dirt, all the burn marks on it, like, it really does help. Like, that's insane. Harpic cleaner. So yeah, because I heard so much about it, so many people using it to clean their downpipe, I was like, no way. So I've been looking for this product everywhere. There's always Domestos and stuff, but never this product. So that's harpic cleaner for you. Gonna put it back there. A quick scrub. I still can't believe how clean it came out. Like, what if I rub this as well, like these pipes and stuff? Just take off shit as well. A quick live view for you to show you that I'm not lying. Okay, now wipe. Look at it. Like the darker spots obviously stays, but look how much cleaner it looks. Only the big dark spots, I don't think you can get them out. Next thing you'll see me washing the whole bike with harpic cleaner. Get it nice and shiny again. Gonna wipe all that. Beautiful. Okay, let's sand this now. I'll get some light sanding paper. Okay, so we have some sandpaper. We're gonna go with 800. Should be alright, shouldn't scratch it too much. Just gonna go quickly around to see if I can bring more shine to it. Because now they're just clean, like they're literally like metal and that's it. Took off all the dirt, but now I'm trying to make them shiny. So with 800 grit sandpaper, that's just after harpic, that's with a sandpaper as well. They're actually shining. And I might go over with like 1500 as well afterwards. So let's keep sanding. That's stage 3 now. And then we'll use a bit of metal polish. Just apply with a cloth. And just kinda have it finished then. But yeah, the difference night and day. I can't wait to put them next to each other, how it was and how it is now. So it is work, it does work. Everybody go to the shop, buy your harpic cleaner, get your bike brand new. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna take some of that stuff. I used to polish my wheels with that. So let's see if that's gonna polish up at all. I'll try to do one pipe at a time. See all the black that's coming off it. So even though I cleaned it and everything, polish takes a few more. That's all gonna look. You can actually see yourself. And then this I'm yet to do. But they're so smooth. It's insane. And that's it. The pipes are done. Look at the difference. It's actually unreal. I'll put in before as well. Yeah. See my downpipes, Manifold. I'm gonna try to clean it, bring the shine back to them, just so you can kind of see the difference. Wait, let me get some sunlight in here. Look at the sparkle on there. It is insane. Beautiful. You can literally see your reflection right there. So yeah, that's gonna be a short video from me. Go quickly wash the bike now. E60 still with stock bumper. Wheels are on, side skirts are on. Oh, the back bumper is on. Did not film it. Technical difficulties with that. That's the bumper on. Front one is left, but front one might take a while because I need sensors. I need air intakes. I need, what else? There was something else. Fog lights. So yeah, that might take a while. Rich Viper Media signing out. Have a good day. Have a nice evening wherever you are.